Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tola. If you're coming across my video for the first time, please do well to like, share and subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always stopping by to watch our video. So in this particular video guys, we'll be making an Ankara bow earring. If this is what you're interested in learning, please sit back, relax, and let's get straight into the video. For this particular tutorial, you'll be needing your Ankara fabric, you'll be needing a pair of earrings, the round one. You'll also be needing a hand needle and thread. So guys, you have to have your scissors around, maybe your ruler in case you have to draw a straight line or something like that. So guys, the first thing you need to do is to cut out the piece of fabric you need to make this bow on your earring. You might actually want to measure it or just place the earring on the fabric for you to get the right measurement. And then as you can see, I have 3.5 here. That's the measurement. That's 3.5 by 2.5. But then you can actually just cut it out when you already have the earring on it, and just take out the piece of fabric you need from the big piece of fabric. But please take note, I'm trying to cut out for just one of the earring, and then I'll be doing the same thing for the other earring too with time. So guys, as you can see, I have the fabric that I'm going to be using for the bow on my earring. You can see I have the exact measurement I want. So I went ahead to get another fabric to make the second one. So guys, what you can just do is get another fabric, place the first one on it, and then just try to trim it out. You don't have to start measuring again. You don't have to start doing that all over again. So just place it on it, trim it out, and just get the same shape for the second earring. So guys, you can see we have exact shape for the both earrings. You can see we have the same measurement for the both earrings. So now the next thing we're going to do is to go ahead and sew the edges of the fabric. Fold into two and sew the edges of the fabric. After sewing it, we go over and turn it to the other side. As you can see, I'm done sewing it. You can see I'm done sewing it. So the next thing you want to do is to turn it over to the right side of the fabric. Please take note, when you turn it over to the other side, make sure the joining is at the middle, at the back, so that your work is going to be very neat. So guys, you place the earring on the fabric turn it over and then try to make your bow on it first. You can see how I did that. Try to pleat on the fabric in order to get a bow kind of effect on the fabric. So the next thing you want to do, guys, is to take your needle and thread. That's actually the essence of the needle and the thread. So you have to sew on that bow, sew on the needle of the bow, and then we go ahead and do the same thing for the second fabric on the second earring. So guys, as you can see, we are done, and then we have our pair of earrings. If you enjoyed this video, guys, please do well to like, share and subscribe. Drop a comment on the kind of video or tutorial you would love to see, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.